The camera temporarily not available error in your Tesla Model Y indicates a problem with the vehicle's vision system, which relies on 8 external cameras for autopilot, full self-driving, FSD, and other driver assist features. This error can be triggered by blocked, misaligned, or malfunctioning cameras. The vision system uses 8 external cameras to provide 360-degree coverage for autonomous driving features. These cameras work alongside ultrasonic sensors and radar to detect obstacles and maintain safe driving. Cameras are strategically placed around the vehicle for optimal visibility and safety monitoring. As of late 2025, software updates and hardware improvements have reduced the frequency of this issue, but it's important to understand the underlying causes to address it effectively. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with the basics. Ensure all 8 cameras are clean and free from obstructions. These include front, side, rear, and corner-mounted cameras. Even minor obstructions like mud, snow, ice, or stickers can trigger the error. Next, perform a power cycle by restarting your Tesla. Turn off the vehicle, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Many owners, particularly those with newer software versions, find that these simple steps clear the error. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include enhancements to camera calibration and diagnostics. Make sure your Model Y is running the latest software version to benefit from these improvements. Tesla's V12.5.X series from late 2024 and V13.0 from early 2025 introduced improved diagnostics and even AI-driven camera health monitoring. These updates often recalibrate camera algorithms without requiring hardware changes or a service visit. Always check your release notes for any camera-related fixes included in the updates. Tesla provides a built-in calibration tool accessible via the touchscreen diagnostics in the service menu. This tool appears on the vehicle's central display screen, guiding you through the calibration process. The process involves parking on a level surface and then driving slowly while carefully following the on-screen instructions. This tool helps align the cameras to a known reference frame, correcting minor misalignments that can cause the error. However, this built-in tool is more effective for modern Model Y vehicles. For older models or complex issues, professional calibration may be needed. If software solutions don't work, consider potential hardware problems. Check for physical damage to the cameras, such as cracks, chips, or water intrusion. Although the cameras are waterproof and self-cleaning in some models, impacts from hail or road debris can cause damage. If you suspect hardware damage, professional inspection and replacement are necessary. For persistent camera issues that don't resolve with cleaning or restarts, professional calibration at a Tesla service center is often required. This is especially crucial after accidents or windshield replacements, when precise alignment is critical for safety. Technicians use specialized tools like the Tesla Alignment Tool or third-party software, such as Calibrator Pro, to ensure accurate camera positioning. This professional approach is particularly important for older Model Y vehicles, where DIY methods may not suffice. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving towards more proactive, software-centric fixes, reducing reliance on physical service. By integrating AI directly into the vehicle's software, calibration can happen automatically without needing to visit a service center. AI-assisted calibration via FSD updates is becoming standard. The vehicle's onboard neural processing units work continuously to maintain camera alignment, addressing minor issues before they become problems. Future versions of FSD may incorporate LiDAR-like depth sensing from cameras alone, potentially eliminating calibration needs for minor issues. This advancement uses advanced computer vision to create accurate 3D maps without additional sensors. Tesla's OTA ecosystem gives it an edge in rapidly deploying these improvements. Software updates can enhance the entire fleet simultaneously, ensuring all vehicles benefit from the latest calibration technologies. Safety and warranty considerations. Always prioritize safety when addressing camera issues. Never rely solely on automated features while driving, and always supervise the vehicle. Improper DIY attempts can void your warranty, so if you're unsure about any step, seek professional assistance. Remember to cross-reference with Tesla's official resources for the most up-to-date information and procedures.